we go. Oh, we're on our way at Al's Driving Academy.
We're going to the shop.
We're going to the shop, Eden says. We're going to explore all these wonderful pumpkins that they've got around here.
That's just the hammer.
Yeah. Oh, we've got to give way here. Oh, hold on.
Beep, beep.
So we're going this way. That's it. Keep going. Hi. This is good fun, isn't it? Oh, we have to stop here. Let's keep going. Through the tunnel.
Look at all this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All the spare ones all parked up. Oh, it looks really good, all these pumpkins.
Yeah. That's fair.
He is, yeah. He's doing an all right job, isn't he? He's driving it on his own. There's Casper. Hey. Oh, this is good. Oh, we've got to stop here, remember? There we go, thank you. Hey, Casper's there.
Daddy, these guys past the
Yeah.
these guys past the shop. Dad,
Yeah?
that's the sandwich shop.
Oh, is it?
And we're going to the shop,
Yeah?
to the sweetie shop.
All right. There's so much great theming here. Little kids' cars. I love how you're in 1950 Chevys as well. Oh. It's quite a decent cycle as well. It's not short. There was a massive queue for these at Legoland the other day, so it's nice to just come on these. Oh, I think that's it. That is it.